Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Aga Khan Foundation International Scholarship. This scholarship is being provided by Aga Khan Foundation, and the benefit of this scholarship is some financial assistance is given to the students who are studying masters and postdoctoral degrees. The link for the application form is given below in the description box, and to know the entire application process, keep on watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Now let's get started with the video. First type theglobalscholarship.org. Now click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our official website which has three broad categories: scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on scholarship section. You will see multiple scholarships to which you can apply according to your eligibility. For today let's focus on Aga Khan Foundation International Scholarship. Click on view button. Now you can see an interface that has the scholarship details like name of the scholarship, provider name, benefit from the scholarship. At the right side you can see the start date, end date. Just below it you will see the educational qualification to whom this scholarship is open for. After that I want you to go through the scholarship description once so that you will get idea regarding this scholarship scheme. After that the eligibility criteria for the scholarship is clearly given. Go through it once. The award conditions are clearly mentioned. Check it out once. The benefits and timelines of the application form is given. Go through it once. An important note is given in the description box. Read it out once so that you will keep a track regarding this scholarship. If you are having any doubts, you can just write your query to the email ID which is given in the contact details section. Moving down the page, you will see the button login and apply. Hit the button, it will redirect you to the official page of the scholarship from where you can gain the further details regarding the scholarship, like for what this foundation is working for, what are their aims, what are their achievements. Each and every bit of the information regarding the scholarship is given. Go through it once. To apply for this scholarship, you have to contact the nearest Aga Khan Foundation office via email of your country and ask them about how to get the scholarship application form. You can just apply for any of the country to which you belong. Contact the embassy, ask them regarding the application form. From this side, you will find the address of your country. Take out the email and ask them how to fill the form. Later, they'll ask you some questions, some eligibility criteria. Just exchange 1 to 2 emails. Once you are done, they'll send you the application form for this scholarship. So I am having previous year's application form. I'll be showing you. For this year also, the application form is same. Just have a glance over the application form so you will get idea what are all the documents you require and what all the information is required to fill this form. There is no need to write the form with a pen. You just have to type it by just clicking onto the sections which are asked to you. This is a fillable form. Use the tab key to move the next field. First, indicate the Aga Khan Foundation office from where the form was received. Then start entering your personal information like name on previous academic records, country of birth, date of birth, current age, gender, marital status, nationality, residence. Later, enter your contact information like permanent home address, current mailing address, primary email, telephone number. Then after that, enter the details regarding proposed course of study. The questions are asked below to you. Then later enter the details regarding proposed course of study like degree objective, university or institution name of study, course of study, so on. Information is asked to you. Just go on explaining one by one. Later, enter the details regarding language or standardized test results. Then after that, enter the education history like name of the institution and location, field of study, specified degree, dates attended and final result of the courses. After that, enter your professional experience like list of current and previous employment positions starting with the most recent employment. Then enter your hobbies and extracurricular activities, and after that take out the personal statement. The personal statement is your chance to tell the selection committee how and why you have decided to pursue a graduate degree in your field of study at your chosen university. The statement should be a thoughtful written piece that reflects maturity and profound thinking about your educational and career goals and future course of action. Specifically, it should address the given points below in the statement. Go through it once. Moving to next, some additional information is asked to you. Enter those details. Next is the financial information form. Carefully enter this form. Here in this form, some family information like number of family members in the household, You should enter their details. Dependents and other family members details have been asked. Enter those details. Then household financial information is asked. Enter those details. Other expenses and external sources of funding is asked. Enter these details carefully. Then there is a financial need analysis form is there. Read this form carefully and then add your details. Then there is a signature form. This form must be signed by the applicant and the head of the household. Then this form should be returned to the local Aga Khan Foundation office along with the completed application package. It means by signing the form you are agreeing to the terms and condition for the scholarship. Then there is a application submission checklist. Go through this checklist once. The completed application package should include the original application and the supplementary documents that are to be arranged in the order given below. Then submit this application form to the nearest Aga Khan Foundation office. This is how you go about the application process for Aga Khan Foundation scholarship. For more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you.